Before you begin, remove the battery and service door. Note: the primary and expansion memory slots are both located under the service door. The primary memory slot is located on the bottom and the expansion memory slot is located on the top. If an expansion memory board is installed, it must be removed before the primary memory board can be removed. Removal. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory board to the spring tension position. Caution: when handling a memory board, use care to prevent touching the memory chips on the board. Touching the memory chips could damage or destroy the memory. Grasp the memory board by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the memory board in a static dissipative bag. The primary memory board is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Grasp the memory board by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the memory board with the key in the empty board receptacle on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the memory board into the slot on the system board. Caution: when handling a memory board, use care to prevent touching the memory chips on the board. Touching the memory chips could damage or destroy the memory. Press the memory board down to latch the arms. The expansion memory board is replaced in the same manner.